to make 3 ingredients cookies. What I'm using is half a block of butter, half a cup of icing sugar, and 2 cups of flour. Now I'm going to add the butter. Mix it all up until it becomes dough. The dough is ready. I'm going to pour it out. I'm going to put it on flour and let's make some shapes. So I've got a heart and a flower. I've got a star. I've got a circle. I've got another heart, but it's a small heart. And I'm going to roll it out. Let me sprinkle on some little flour and then I'm going to roll it out. Sprinkle on some flour. Then roll it out. Time to cut out some shapes. First I'm going to do a flower. Next for a blue star. For a circle. A heart. And another heart. Another star. What do you think, guys? I'm nearly done with the cookies. Now I'm going to do my name out of the dough. 1, 2, 3. What do you think of my cookies, guys? Put it in the oven until it's brown on 180 degrees. My cookies are ready. What do you think? Doesn't look yummy? You can enjoy this with some lovely coffee and some lovely tea with your parents. Can you see the red thumb here? Please subscribe. Hope you enjoy our video. Bye!